Hello once again. The problem in front of us is number 7 in the series of problems set by J.H. Sarratt in his book Treatise of Chess, 1st edition, London, 1808. And the task here is for white to checkmate in 5 moves. Yes, that would be checkmate on the move, as would that. Just look at it, no problem. But again, the task set here is a bit different. We have to deliver checkmate in 5 moves with this pawn. How do we possibly go about constructing in this position, which is all, again, right over on the queen side, to deliver that mate with that pawn? There is no other criteria in force here. You can move the king if you want, although you don't have to if you don't want to. You must checkmate with that a-pawn. This fellow here must deliver checkmate. How do you go about doing it? Well, just note that should you move here, check, he can take the bishop. The overall premise here really is that you want black to place his knight where your knight is. Just take a look there. Why do you want that? So that you can take his knight. It's the only way that you can deliver checkmate. You cannot possibly deliver it by pushing this pawn forward. And then he'll be self-blocking with a6. I've given you some clues there. How do you get his knight onto b6 there? Well, congrats if you have seen this. This is the first move in the sequence. You're forcing black's moves here. He has to take here. So that's move 1. You're not going for the jugular vein with rook a8 or rook b7. You're attempting to do a Sarratt, checkmate in 5 with this a-pawn. That's move 1. What is the second move here? Well, you want to get that knight to b6. How do you do it there? Well, you sacrifice the rook now. You play there. And again, black's hand is forced. He must play knight to a8. So what do we do now? How do we deal with this? Well, at this stage, you have a choice of moves. You have, effectively, you have any one of 4 squares to which you can place it. Congrats if you've seen it. I plumped for this one, but you could go to any of the other white squares to which the knight can move. But that is the solution in his book, which I did look up once I'd solved it. And he gives knight d7. We won't argue with it. It amounts to the same thing. He's forced again. And now do you see? The black knight is on b6 where we want it. So what do we do now? We have to checkmate with that pawn. So that is after queen c7 check, knight takes c7. 2, rook a8, knight takes a8. 3, knight to d7, discovered check, knight b6. 4, to there. Do you see what's coming? Yes, he has to go here, and then, wonderfully, you can do that. And a7 is covered by the bishop. So that is another excellent problem. Do watch out for number 8 in the series. I hope you enjoyed this one, as I'm sure you'll enjoy all of them, and goodbye for now.